finally have our hands on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. We've been looking out for this, guys. We've been saying this for quite some time that this phone right here, okay, this phone right here, all right, the Fold 8 is not complete until we have synchronized with the Ultra Watch 2, the Galaxy Watch 2, guys. And as you can see, my wrist has nothing on it. It's but now we have something on it, guys. We have been now able to replace competition. Okay, let's just put it like that. We have been able to replace competition with the Galaxy Ultra Watch 2. And we also have a few accessories that we were able to acquire for the Watch 2. We have been wearing it for the last, 2-3 days, I want to say. And I'm going to talk all about it. Go ahead and, grab your coffee and let's go. Hold up. All right, guys, let's go. Come on. All right, so here we are, guys. We are unboxing, sort of unboxing. I mean, if you want to call it that, because we have already been using it. Okay, so yeah, we have been using it, and it has been an amazing device. I want to say, at least, because we wanted to rock it with our wide, our Fold 8, which has been nothing but amazing, by the way. Look at this amazing phone. Okay, and guys, when we went ahead and got this watch, okay, we were like, you know what, we're committed, we're going all the way. And here we are, finally, guys. We got it, and I want to tell you guys, this has been awesome. It has been awesome rocking this watch, guys. First and foremost, the aesthetic of it, the ring around it, the bezel, okay, I want to say the bezel around it with the numbers is a plus. I don't think last year's model had that, okay? And yeah, to be able to come in here, integrated into the new wearable, the new Ultra Watch 2, and it's pretty cool because I was rocking the Ultra Watch for Apple, and that was a good watch. And I mainly rock these watches only because I want to track my working out, my hiking, my running, my lifting, my everything. And I want to be able to wear these watches sometimes alone when I'm not tethered to the phone. I want to be able to leave my phone behind and be able to rock this, working out and all of that. And I've been able to do that with these watches. And this one right here, it's only good. It's great. Let me unlock it for you guys. But before I unlock it, but look at the body, guys. Look at the body. Like, everything about it is just amazing. If you guys can see it on the camera, I'm trying to do my best here. Okay. And, we unlock it here. Let's see. We're going to unlock it. And like the things that you can do once you hit this, this button right here, I guess it closes so quick. It closes so quick. Once you go in there, guys, you're then presented with every type of workout you could ever think of. It has more than any watch that I've ever had. Okay, and as soon as you hit the button, like let's say you want to do a bike indoor, all right, you hit start, it already starts tracking you, guys. And then this is your home button right here. This is your home button. Once you go to the home button, you're back to this display right here. Once you hold it down, you can then change it to whatever you feel like changing it. I got like 3 faces that I had purchased on the Play Store, and I love this face right here, guys. This face right here is the bombs, okay? I'm all about that rugged look, guys, but I love that face right here. That face is awesome, guys. Check it out. It's on the Play Store, by the way. And on top of that, we got the marine one, all right? So we wind up getting the green band, okay, with it. All right, here it is, guys, the green band. We have not worn the green band yet, but this is the band right here that it came with. All right, Samsung. It's pretty cool. I love that color. Pretty neat. I chose that color. I was like, you know what? I'm going with this. Stop playing. All right. I'm gonna need like a TPU clear case, and I'm gonna rock it with that band. I don't want to completely cover the bezel. I think the bezel is unique and it's awesome, and I don't I don't really want to put too much on it, but I think that with the band would be kind of cool. So yeah, let's see if we can order one of those. But yeah, guys, I already installed a screen protector on it. There's so much more that you can do here. Like, I didn't even like really dive in, but like, you know, once you hit the back button, this is where when you swipe to the left, okay, this is your notifications. You swipe down, this is where you vibrate, or you put this on so the whole world can hear you. Okay, if you want the whole world to hear you, you hit this button right here. Okay, the whole world now will hear you. Okay, and then you can just vibrate. You got so many options there, guys. Right along with, you know, everything else here, guys. I'm pretty sure you know what this is. Okay, and then back to the home button you go. Swipe up, and then you're presented with everything here. All the apps that you download to the watch will be there when you swipe up. I like using this watch right here because, again, I love working out. So when I work out, I like using the timer. The timer helps me a whole lot. So I use the hourglass, and on the hourglass, I do a little preset of the times, okay, of what I use. All right, you got to be able to have a timer, and so that's my timer. There's the sandglass, the hourglass. And then over here, you could track when you swipe to your right all the way. You can track your energy score. Like what? You're like, everything is right here, guys. Like your sleep, your vitals, your heart rate, your blood pressure, your ECG. Okay, what? Like, to me, I like all of that. This watch has already exceeded my expectations. Okay, watch right here, so far, right out the box, it has given me a A. Okay, I'm gonna stamp it A, approve. Okay, and guys, we also wind up getting one of these rugged cases here, guys. Rugged watch bands. This one's pretty cool. Okay, it's pretty that ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere. Okay, and that's how you want to protect your investment. Okay, we also got this one too. Let me see if I can get it out the box. Yeah, right here, guys. Boom. This one is pretty rough too. This one's just as good as the other one. It's called Ultimo. I got it all from Amazon, guys. This one is Basin. I'll put some links down below, guys, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you guys are interested in it. But it matches the watch. The watch goes in it like a glove. It's all good. And again, your investment is protected. Okay, so I went ahead and got me these quickly because I did not want to rock this watch with no protection. I wanted to make sure that it is protected and that it is going to be, you know, secured and not banged, because again, we work out. So now that's just to kind of give you a good look of how it looks in this band. Gosh, it's even hard to like. So basically, you go in there, bam. All right, it's in there. All right, and it looks like that. Look at that, guys. Tell me that's not cool. It looks good. Guys. Look at that. And it's protected. Hey, you can still see the bezel around it. It looks good. Okay, it still looks good. I like the orange accent. Okay, I like it. But yeah, guys, I've been rocking this for like 2 days now, and it has been good. The first day setting it up, guys, it somehow knocked me out of my service. I was down for 2 to 3 hours while I was working. I was trying to figure it out. Like, why is my service not working? Why did I lose service? Okay, but I was able to get on the phone with T-Mobile, and we were able to, you know, fix that. And yeah, the agent who helped me was awesome and amazing, and I appreciate their help. So we went ahead and did what we did, and I was happy. I was excited, and I've been using this now at the gym, and it's good. And it's like I love it. One thing I love about Galaxy watches too, by the way, is the round. Okay, the way it's the shape of it round. I prefer the round over the square, which is what the Apple Watch uses. It's like a square style, but this round, bro. I'm like, where have I been? Why haven't I been rocking this? Okay, like, serious. And guys, we've been having a great time using our Fold 8, by the way. So now we got the Fold 8, guys. We got the Fold 8, you know, matching with the Galaxy, okay? The Galaxy Z Fold8. with the Ultra Watch 2, guys. The match has been a pleasant experience. If you guys like this type of content, unboxing or me just talking about yapping it up about whatever it is that I've just acquired, guys, please like down below, sub to the channel, comment too as well, because I need to know. What do you guys like about this? Are you guys rocking the Ultra Watch 2? Are you guys hesitant on joining Android all the way? Are you thinking about the Galaxy Z Fold? Because listen, if you are, that means that you are ready to make the move. Don't hesitate. Listen, okay? Take the plunge. Jump right in. There's a lot of room for everybody. And guess what, guys? Do it now. Do it now. Because we also been playing on the Galaxy Z Fold8, and the games look amazing on it, especially on that 4x3 display. I am telling you guys, I mean it. I'm telling you. And then also, guys, before we say goodbye, all right, before we say goodbye, I want you guys to know that you guys are always winning when you're rising above. Until next time, this is your boy Rise Above signing out. Peace.